Starting with some breaking news coming in top of 8 a.m. Union Minister Prahlad Joshi has slammed the opposition for repeated disruptions in the proceedings in Parliament. He said that the government is ready to hold discussions over the new farm laws and is ready to answer all questions put forward by the opposition. Already you have the Union Agriculture Minister saying that they're ready for a debate both inside and outside Parliament, and now another reaction on the same coming in from Union Minister Prahlad Joshi. Listen in.
यह बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, फिर भी हमारा कोशिश हम जारी रखा है और हम सहमति बनाने का कोशिश तो लगातार हम कर रहे हैं और मुझे विश्वास है मंडे से वो मान जाएगी, क्योंकि चर्चा ही संसद का एक सेंटर पॉइंट है, इसका प्राण है। इसलिए मैं फिर से उनको अपील किया हूँ, स्पीकर साहब भी अपील किया है।
Nalini, my colleague, also joining us with more details on this breaking update. Nalini, we've seen so many disruptions, so many walkouts the past few days as far as the budget session and the discussion on the farm laws during the same is concerned. Yesterday also, Lok Sabha was adjourned 6 minutes after reconvening. So that's the reaction that the Union Minister is now giving, given what the opposition is doing.
Absolutely correct, Christine. And in the light of the circumstances of how the parliamentary sessions have been going on for the past few days, Prahlad Joshi's reaction on this issue becomes even more significant, because essentially now what he's stating is that the government is ready to answer all the questions of the opposition on the floor of the House when it comes to this controversial issue of farm laws. But at the same time, he's also categorically stated that the opposition is not allowing the proceedings of the House to go on, which means that they're not agreeable to having an amicable discussion on this issue. But at the same time, he's reiterated the government's position, saying that discussion is the focal point of Parliament, and it's something that all the members of Parliament, whether they are in power or in opposition, should respect. And keeping that in mind, the government is ready to answer the questions of the opposition on the floor of the House. So hopefully on Monday, he is expecting for the opposition to allow the proceedings to continue, so that the government is given a chance to respond to the several objections that have been raised by the opposition regarding the farm laws. But in case the proceedings get adjourned once again, as has been happening every day that we've been seeing, then it remains to be seen exactly how the opposition will then answer to not letting the proceedings go on in the very first place.
Yes. So the centre making it very clear that you need the right environment to hold a debate and hold discussions on the new farm law.